Hello and welcome back once again. This is Ryan Smith, aka Fox, and this is iPhone test number 3. I didn't really discover much after last week's testing, apart from the fact that the iPhone, although it values well as a camera, it does less so for its microphone capabilities for recording sound. What I am attempting to do today is see if I can find a way around that. Currently got the earphones plugged in with the little microphone attached to see if they catch all of the sound made. What this means is I am going to hold the camera at a lot of long arm and crazy angles and just see how badly or how well it handles that. So without further ado, let's go for a close-up of the top shelf. Up here, a lot of the animated stuff. There is probably a few things I really should dust up here as well. Megatron Beast Machines. I committed fanboy genocide as soon as I went and ripped him out of the packaging. But really, come on. If a Transformer that looks like that, you've got to let it free. Goldbug. The most offensive thing that ever entered Transformers, ever, perhaps. Well, there's a third movie coming out next year, so we'll see about that, perhaps. Megatron, Metroplex, RC. Now back down here. All across over here. So this is pretty much doing what I really should have done the first time, and really show the full collection as it stands. Absent today is Drift, who is currently occupying my work desk. Up here, Optimus, big 20th anniversary one, perhaps a little outdated now. And actually, if you look behind Barricade, you can see there Skywarp still in box. I am going to be bringing him to auto assembly with the hopes of trading him. Got a fully boxed Soundwave there as well, hiding behind Megatron. Really should show off more, but there's only so much room. I'd be absolutely buried on the back. Prefer to have all the collection at the front where I can. Tankor as well, I may be thinking of trading him. Preferably to see if I can get Trankor drone version, going a lot more like the cartoon. Blitzwing in rather business-like manner. Zedoctor. And hiding last the doorway, Jazz. We have covered everyone, I believe, apart from Rekgar, who is down there. That is really it. So now, it's a matter of just loading this up, testing how the sound checks out this time, and seeing if it's worked. Apart from that, all that's left to be said is this is Ryan Smith, aka Fox, signing off once again. We'll see you soon, YouTube.